To begin angiogenesis calculations, left-click anywhere in the window. A blood vessel will be initiated at that point. During the calculations, active vessels are red, vessels that have completely stopped growing are grey, and temporarily halted vessels blue. Vessels stop growing on reaching the tumour, on intersecting with another vessel, or on moving too far out of the domain. Vessels will halt temporarily if the calculated cell density falls below a minimum value. Once angiogenesis calculations are complete, the data may be written to a file. This option is selected from the drop-down menu accessed using the right mouse button. File names increment during a session so that a number of datasets may be stored. The constructed blood vessel network may be examined from different views by entering a transformation mode. Enter the mode via the drop-down menu accessed using the right mouse button. This mode is indicated by a change of the background colour and by the appearance of two small cones placed at the tumour's edge on the x-axis. The view may then be rotated by dragging the mouse across the screen with the left button held down. The rotated view is then redrawn on release of the button. To zoom in, click the middle mouse button. To reset the transformation, once again use the right mouse button to access a drop-down menu. To start another blood vessel network, you have to exit the transformation mode. Do this via the drop-down menu. At any time, the program may be exited completely by pressing ESC on the keyboard. Runtime parameters may be changed before starting angiogenesis calculations, but not when in transformation mode. If you want to save your data, it is best to do that before you change the parameters, or else you will save an incorrect parameter set with your data. Change parameters using selections from the drop-down menu. The submenus tell you the current parameter values. For instance, the tumour size is currently 100 microns, I'm changing it to be 500 microns. I'm also changing the chemotaxis, which was variable. I'm choosing a constant chemotaxis of a fairly low value, so that you'd expect a lot of random motion. You may change the size of the window in which the application is running, but you will need to perform a recalibration.